Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, we have an UGG unboxing today. So I was able to score a pair of the coveted UGG Classic Ultra Minis in the color Chestnut, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to save some money on them, and then also how I scored my pair of UGGs. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So how I saved money on them, I am a women's size 7, and if you are like around a size 7 and below, you can actually purchase like the kid size of things. So these ones, I actually bought a youth 6 because when you convert a women's size 7 to youth, it runs to be about a 5.5. So hopefully this size 6 fits me. But yeah, I think the women's Uggs are $140, and then the youth size, they're $110. So that's already $30 that you're saving. So if you can buy the youth size, I highly recommend that you do. So these are the UGG Classic Ultra Minis. And again, these are in the kids, but honestly, I think they're the same as the women's size 7. These have just been popping up everywhere on my For You page, on TikTok, everywhere on my Instagram, and I don't know why I am so late to the trend. I was eyeing them a long time ago, but just never pulled the trigger. But now that I found them in stock, I just had to have them. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up of the shoe, or the boot, whatever you want to call them. Here is a side view, the top view, the view of the inside, the back, and the top. The material of the boot is just so soft, the inside and the outside. And then here is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. Let's see what this says. Real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin Australia. Product is made in China, and then I think just the product number. Sock lining is made of 80% wool and 20% lyocell. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And then the sock lining backing is 100% recycled polyester. So yeah, these are the Classic Ultra Minis. Excited to have these, and I have a pair of Uggs, the tall ones. I'll put a picture right over here, but I've had these ones for over 10 years now, and I will wear them every now and then in the winter time, and they're still in such great condition, and honestly I feel like they just feel the same as this. So I just know that these are just going to last me a long time, so even though I bought them late in the season, I can still wear these in the future to come. So yeah, happy to finally have these in my collection, and they're just so cute. I can't wait to style them. Anyways, so how I got them. So I actually got these ones from Nordstrom, and every now and then on the website, you'll see them restock with random colors and then also random sizes too. So one day when I was looking at the kids sizes, I saw that this shoe was available in the 6M. It said only one left, so I immediately purchased them. And if they didn't fit, I can just take them back. So yeah, I also did recently see a, let's see, I think a size 7 in a burnt olive color in case I don't want to keep these ones. Since I already have this color in the taller boot, maybe I want to get a different color, so we'll see how that goes. But what I'm trying to see also is if these ones fit similar to the size 7, so I'll have to give you an update on this one. But today I'm just unboxing the 6 Youth Classic Ultra Minis. And honestly, so happy with them, but I'll give you an update with the size 7 women Uggs that are coming in soon. Since these are new, let me actually put them on for you guys. So yeah, these are actually super comfortable. These are new, so it's okay that they're on my bed. And here's what they look like on my feet. I hope the angle is okay. But yeah, I think my main concern with these were if they were going to be too tight, and they aren't. And my main concern was if they were going to be too tight was because I do have wide feet. So yeah, they are fine right over here. I am a size 7, and I did get the size 6 youth. My toe is right here. Maybe I could have gotten away with size 5, I don't know. But these are really comfortable on my feet, and I am also planning on wearing with socks, so I think these are just going to be just fine. So yeah, these are the UGG Classic Ultra Minis, and I got these in a youth size 6, and I'm a women's size 7. I'll give you guys an update when the size 7 in women's comes in the other color, but these actually do feel really great on my feet. And yeah, I did get them at Nordstrom, so check the Nordstrom website randomly because you might be able to find your size there if you're still looking for these cute boots. And yeah, I know my shoes are on the bed, but hey, these are new shoes, so that's okay once I've worn them out. Yeah, no shoes on the bed. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!